Afternoon, Agent Energy Carbon Clean. We're in and around Northampton this afternoon, and we've got a BMW 520d running pretty sweetly. Actually, this one, the owner's, how long you had it now? 2 months now. 59 plate, 122,000 on the clock. Intermittent engine light popping on and off. The codes present for that are historic, but they appear to be related to an EGR. Now, it has had a new EGR on this. It does appear to be open and closing. A little bit complicated trying to work out exactly what's going on with that. It is open and closing at the right time. There's a tuning box on this, and it has had a new EGR on it, so difficult to kind of suggest what's going on with that. Might be worth getting that just looked at again. Does seem to be actuating properly. In terms of coolant temperature, it will get up to 89 degrees, get the fans on. It did drop to 78. It did get back up to 84, so I think that thermostat is pretty much okay for now, but given it's 10 years old, it might be worth getting those thermostats looked at some point. Otherwise, DPF's in very good condition. 81 miles since the last regen, really nice low back pressure on that. All the exhaust gas temperature sensors are exactly where they should be. Very, very sweet actually. In terms of the sound of this when we got to it, a lot of them you get, and there's a distinct kind of bass rumble to it. This one's purring quite nicely when we got to it. Nice bit of a preventative clean on this one. Get it back out on the road, but if that engine light does keep popping back on and off for that EGR, it will be worth getting that looked at again.